How to set up roundups in Acorns. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. From the Acorns app, you can log into your account. From your home screen, tap Invest, then tap Roundup Settings. Scroll down to Linked Accounts. There, tap Cards Linked, then tap Link Another Account. Select your bank or card users by scrolling through the list or searching for it in the search box, then enter your online banking credential and you're good to go. From your website, log into your account. From your home screen, click Invest, click Roundup Settings, click Scroll down to Linked Accounts, click Manage, then click Linked Accounts, then Manage. After that, link another account. Select your bank or card issuer by scrolling through the list or searching for it. Bank in the search box, then enter your online banking credential and click Submit. And this is how to set up roundups in Acorns. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.